Hi everybody, I want to show you this new feature of virtual keyboard that comes in version 85. So first of all, you have to go in movement tracking, enable hand and body tracking. I also enable this one, double tap controllers. So if I do like this, double tap, I switch to the keyboard. I will show you in a minute. Then you have to go in experimental, enable surface keyboard. Then you go in devices, keyboard, and you click on setup. There is also this mouse pad. You see? It's pretty cool, huh? And if you want to switch back to controllers, you just take them. And if you want to switch back to the virtual keyboard, you just double tap on them. And here it is. And you can use any surface in your house.